Good evening, teacher, and good evening, my beloved classmates. Today I'm gonna to speaking test. The title of my topic is my favorite subject. Yes, for sure. People all over the world always have something or some point that they like or they don't like. But for studying, there were many subjects. Some students like this subject and another student like that subject. For me, subject that I like have two. The first is English and the second is Khmer language. And now I talk about English first. My favorite subject is English. I enjoy learning English because I want to speak with people from different countries. I like also reading English stories and watching English movies. They help me learn new word and understand about grammar better in our English class. They make fun activity and we play game, we write short stories and we write short stories and sometimes in the small play. Our teacher is kind and always help us when we don't understand about the lesson. He always explain all of the students. He make learning English interesting and fun. I study English every day because I want to get at it, and one day I hope to travel to another country and talk in English. I think English is important for my future. That's why it is my favorite subject. And the second subject is Khmer language. Khmer is the national language, and also it has my favorite subject. Because it is have a strong connection with national society, and that's why I focus to Khmer subject because I am talent in it, and it is easy for weak students like me to grasp quickly and understand. Thank you, teacher, and everyone for listening to me.